Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a KODAK K12 and let me share with you how to change the system language on this device. So I'm sure that this video will be useful for people who've accidentally changed the language and have no idea what to do and how to get into a specific section. So I'll try to explain everything slowly, but no worries. You can always just pause the video and follow my steps. So first of all, we have to find the gear icon, which is connected with the settings. So either you can do it here in this full list of available apps, or if you've got it on the home screen, then tap on it. Choose the settings. Here in this left section, we will be at the top. So here in the left section, we have to scroll all the way down to find the system. So again, find the gear icon and tap on it. Then let's tap on this first section with those letters. Tap on languages and go to system languages, which is at the top again. So you do not have to scroll anywhere, just tap on the first option. And here we've got the list of the languages which are, let's say, currently applied. So all you have to do, if you cannot find your language here, all you have to do is to tap on this plus icon, add a language, and this is the list of all available languages from which we can choose. So find yours and then tap on it, for example, this one. Then choose the region. So just tap on the region, for example. And as you can see, it has been immediately applied to the list, but in my case, English is still a main one. So now all we have to do is to tap on it and hold it, and then drag it to the very first position. Your device will ask you whether you'd like to change the language to the chosen one, so just tap on change. So the option in the right corner, tap on change. And that was my mistake because this language is not available. So let me show it to you on the Spanish one. Tap on it and hold it and drag it to the first position. Tap on change. And from now on, the whole system will be displayed in the chosen language. Let me do it again. Set English, tap on it and hold it, drag it to the first position and the option in the right lower corner. And we've got English applied. Oh my god. And if you wish to remove the languages from this list, just tap on the three dots icon here, tap on remove, mark the languages and tap on the trash bin icon. And we've got only one language applied. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.